Welcome back to ArchiCAD. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to use a feature called Surface Painter, which is used to change the appearance of all of our features in our project. It can be accessed two ways. First way is through Document, Creative Imaging and Surface Painter, and the other way is through Window, Window, Palettes and Surface Painter right here. So once you click on it, the Surface Painter palette will pop up. There's a few ways to change it. You can change it to small icons, medium icons, large icons, and this is all the features that you can use to paint, all the materials that you can use to paint your project with. In this side on the right, you can see it's empty. If you select something in your building, for example this wall here, it shows you what is being used in that feature. So we have the siding on the outside and the white stucco on the inside of this wall. If we select the door here, you can see its materials are glass, stainless steel metal and red stucco. You can edit and modify your palette. You can change the arrangement, for example here, horizontal and vertical. You can change the size, which I showed before, to small, medium and large. And you can also see it as in the computer mode, like so, or in the rendered mode, which is more detailed, but takes longer to load. We'll just keep it in GL because it's quicker. And you can search for services, so we can have this whole search here. There's three places you can search for different materials. You can search on the components portal, which is online, search in the loaded catalogs of ArchiCAD, and search in the project that you have running. It's best to have them all selected so you have the biggest variety of materials. Once you select a material, for example, we can choose concrete here. Let's find a color. Some metal, paint. Let's find a paint. Red paint, for example. So you select the red paint and come up to this brush up here. And once it's selected, you can come over here and you can use your paintbrush to paint away. You can click, and there we have it. You can paint it red. You can also use this feature up here, the dropper. If you select the dropper, you can come across here and select something in your project. So I've just clicked on the white wall, it's found it, the white paint gloss, and now I can go back and I can paint using this white paint gloss that I've just had. So come through and you can paint it back to be the same as whatever you've used the eyedropper on. You cannot change or undo anything that you've done in the Surface Painter until you exit the palette. So to come up to the corner, exit, and now you can choose your undo mode, like so. And that is how you use Surface Painter. Fairly simple.